testing out fast food burgers for Lunar New Year. First up is McDonald's with their Prosperity Burger in a beautiful gold packaging. It's a double beef patty smothered in a sesame savoury sauce. Now that's a well-constructed burger, that's a thick boy. And the taste is phenomenal. It's sweet and savoury, umami, and the smell of the sesame is beautiful. Onwards to KFC, often the problem child of the group. And for New Year, they have the Golden Egg Burger, which is basically a zinger burger with a salted egg and fried curry leaf sauce. What is going on with that sauce? I like both of these things, but together the sauce just fights each other for flavour. It's not good at all. It's a zinger burger, but that sauce, the salted egg and the curry leaves, is just weird, but it's strangely addictive. And now Burger King. It's very sloppy, reminds me of a Ramley burger. Cheese pull? Not so much. And the winner? No surprise here, McDonald's is clearly the best.